So welcome friends. Today's webinar topic will be how to earn 21,000 points from Bank Nifty, and that too trading only part time. So here I will show you and I'll also prove you that you can also earn 21,000 points from Bank Nifty index trading only part time. We will use AmiBroker for that. Okay, so I am changing the subject a bit from AmiBroker. Yeah, so how to earn 21,000 points from Bank Nifty trading only part time from AmiBroker. Now before I go into the deep of the webinar, a short intro of mine. My name is Indrajit Mukherjee. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to me in YouTube, and also if you want to connect to me, you can call me or WhatsApp me at +91 96743 21856. I'll just repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So let me start showing you how to earn 21,000 from Bank Nifty trading only part time from AmiBroker. So as you know that AmiBroker is the charting platform, India's one of the favorite charting platforms, and we will use our Trend Blaster trading system, and I'll show you exactly how you can earn huge and regular profits from Trend Blaster using the AmiBroker platform. So now this is how Trend Blaster looks like. There is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. Wherever the sell signal comes, it will clearly tell you where to go short and what is your stop loss. So this is a daily chart. This is the hourly chart. We are checking the Bank Nifty index, and once the short signal comes, it will also give you the stop loss, and it will also give you some targets. So you can book some profits at the targets, or you can exit full whenever the trailing stop loss gets hit. So you can also see the trailing stop loss line. Whenever the trailing stop loss gets hit, the system tells you to go out completely. Now if the first target or the second targets get hit, it shows you that the target is achieved and the current profit or loss. So we can show you that there is a 700 points gain in Bank Nifty in the last signal. The first target was achieved. So one digit one circle is denoting that. Once again, a sell signal is in process now. So it has told you to go short at 24,454, and the current profit is 287 points. So this is Bank Nifty's almost live chart. I'll tell you almost because I am using AmiCode to download the data. So AmiCode downloads the data every 1 minute. Every 1 minute it downloads the data. So this is basically how Trend Blaster works. It gives you a buy signal or a sell signal, and it gives you the profit idea. It tries to keep you in the direction of the trend because it is a trend following indicator. And do not take the Trend Blaster is just like a normal buy sell signal. Trend Blaster is India's one and only multi-time frame trading system. So if we see the parameters, there is a multi-time frame mode. If we put off the multi-time frame mode, it is a normal buy sell signal kind of system. So Trend Blaster is not a normal buy sell kind of system. It is having a multi-time frame analysis. So multi-time frame analysis, what multi-time frame analysis does? See, here is a buy signal comes and the buy signal ends in ends in loss. So now if I put on the multi-time frame mode, it simply avoids the buy signal. So it simply avoids some losses due to the congestion. there are time frame multipliers are available. So this is Trend Blaster. Trend Blaster is much more than a normal buy sell kind of system. It is having a lot of brain than a normal system. It is having multi-time frame analysis. Now I'll show you how the system has earned a hopping 21,000 points over the last few years. And that also trading only part-time, seeing the charts only at the night. You can do your job, you can work on an office, wherever you can do your own business, and still you can come home and you can see the chart at the night and you can get this kind of profits. So now I'll just make the AMI code off. So this will stop downloading the real-time data. So now I'll go to the daily chart. So the daily chart, I'll go to the Bank Nifty daily chart. And in the daily chart, my parameters will change. Instead of intraday, our main parameter of A is the main parameter, is by default 20. But in the daily charts, daily view, in the daily charts, we will make it 3. Yeah, so that's it. That is the only difference, only change you need to make whenever you are trading on daily chart. Here also you will get buy signals or sell signals. You will get the profit idea whenever the first target or the second targets get hit. It will give you a target hit kind of option. So if the second targets also get hit, it will give you a signal that the target is achieved. So what you can do, either you can buy at the arrow and sell at whenever the sell signal comes, that means the star, or you can book some profits at the targets and you can exit the whole lot at the exit signal, that means the star. So buy is a buy signal, star is the exit signal, sell arrow is the sell signal and star is the exit signal. In case of sell also, if the targets are getting achieved, so you will get a notification. Now I have the data here. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart. I have the data since way back 2000. You can see the date over here is 2000. So I am having the data since 2000. So now we will show you how you can trade on the daily charts. Simple, you just come home, run your data utility, update the recent data. So you are getting latest data in the night if you are trading on the daily chart. So now if I am getting a buy signal or a sell signal on certain days, so I need to, whatever I need to do, I need to just execute a buy signal, buy order or a sell order on the next morning. So that's all. I only need to check what the signal is and I need to execute the order on the next morning. That's all. So we can only devote 15-20 minutes of time a day, and we can earn some profits out of the system. If I get a buy signal today, I need to only execute the buy order next morning. If I get a sell order today, I only just need to cover my buy next morning. If I get a short sell signal today, I need to only execute the short sell order next morning. If I get a cover short signal on certain day, so I need to only execute the cover short order on the next morning. So that's all. I only need to check the signal on today night and I only need to execute the order on next morning. So that's all. you can do whatever you want to do. You can do a job, you can work somewhere, you can do this, you can do that. Still you can earn a massive profit out of the system. So now I'll show you the back test. So we have taken Trend Blaster. We are taking this Bank Nifty index. So my current chart is Bank Nifty. So in the back test also I'll select current. I'll select all quotes. So whatever my quotes are, starting from 2000, it will calculate. Now I'll take my initial equity. Let us start with an initial equity of 500, and we will also in the positions we will consider long and short on the daily time frame, and percentage of brokerage. I am considering a 0.001% brokerage or 1 paisa brokerage. So that means everything I am considering. Whatever is the trading situation generally we face, we are considering that. So we are considering the brokerage. We are taking an initial equity of 500, and now I'll show you how to back test. So now see, I have kept the parameter of A as 3. Multi-time frame mode is yes. So this is how I am keeping my parameters. Now I'll hit the backtest button. You can see the backtest is done. So all quotes, you can see we are seeing the signals way back from 2000. So 2000, and contracts traded are always 1. So we are not increasing the capital, increasing the number of contracts traded as per the capital. So this is we are doing to judge how much points we are actually making. Now I'll see the reports. We have started with a 500 rupees capital, and see nowadays if you have traded all the signals over the years, in the last 18 years, it has given you a profit of 4,228%, and that is massive. So 4,228% profits, 4228.43 in last 18 years. So not 18 years, it is 17.5 years, not even 17.5 years, it is 17 years, 17.25 years. So 17 years and a quarter of a year, so not even March. So 17.25. So you can see the system has generated 245% profits every year. So that means if you have started with 1 lakh rupees on every year on 1st January, you will end up with a profit of 245%. That means your profit from the 1 lakh rupees will be 2,45,000 rupees every year. So, and the number of points earned is 21,142. So 21,142 points we have earned, the system has earned, and I have shown you how to earn 21,000 profits from Bank Nifty trading only part-time from AmiBroker or using AmiBroker. I will not tell from AmiBroker, I will change it using AmiBroker. So you can also earn 21,000 profits if you have followed all the signals here. Now in the report, let us go back to the report. Let us see the chart. You can see the system is having a perfectly linear chart. So your portfolio equity has grown up over the years. You can see the profit, which year how much profits have been generated. So this is the statistics. I am going back to the statistics once again. 21,142 points in the last 17.25 years. So 21,142 divided by 17.25, that means every year it has given you 1225 points. So 1225 points every year the system has generated. It is massive. If you want to have the system, You can call me or WhatsApp me at +91 96743 21856. You can also visit the official sales page of Trendblaster. Just visit my site at www.stockmaniacs.net. You can visit www.stockmaniacs.net. Put your mouse on the services. Under services there is trading system, and under trading system there is Trendblaster. So this is the official page. You can ask for a demo. You can get the system from me, and there is an offer. What is the offer? If you join in Zerodha under me, I am giving the system free of cost to my active traders. So you join in Zerodha under me, I will be giving the system free of cost to the traders trading actively under me. For the terms and conditions and demo, whatever you want to like, you can call or WhatsApp +96743 21856. +91 96743 21856. So before I conclude, I just want to repeat once again, friends, this kind of profits are possible from the market if you trade with a trading system, if you believe on the trading system, if you trade all the signals on the trading system, and yes, it is possible trading only part-time. You can trade only part-time and you can earn this much of profits. So if you want to be a part of my team, just call or WhatsApp +91 96743 21856. And before I say bye bye to you, it is time to hit the subscribe button in YouTube to stay connected with me. So thanks a lot, friends. We will meet once again in the next video. Till then, bye bye from me.